Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share one of your loved look. Many of you have loved this look, so thank you so much. Here is the very detailed tutorial I'm posting for you guys step by step. So starting off with the moisturizing primer. This is the Manish Malhotra illuminating primer, highly recommended. It was from My Glam Manish Malhotra collection. Then I'm going on with this Sugar Ace of Base foundation. I'm in the shade 42 Glaze. I take quite a lot of time to blend my foundation before I go in with a blush. But today I am using a lipstick as a blush just to show you that you don't need plethora of products to work with. Literally, if you have like a pink or mauve lipstick, you are good to go. I'm just blending it on the apple of my cheeks, a little bit on the tip of my nose, and that's it. I'm going in with this Maybelline's palette, which definitely has been discontinued. But you just need a black or brown shadow to fill in your eyebrows and you are good to go. I always draw my eyebrows instead of going with pencil all the time, even though I love my pencils. But my preferred way of filling in my eyebrows are gonna be using a pomade or an eyeshadow. Then I am taking the same palette and I'm just taking a golden shimmery shade. I'm applying it on the inner 1/3 of my eyelid, also dragging it a little bit on the lower lash line. Then I'm taking a brown shadow, and for that you need such angled brush which I'm showing you right here. You just need to blend the brown shadow outside of your eyelid, and also you're gonna blend. Most of the people, even I sometimes do the deeper shade first and then I go on with the shimmery shade, but I just wanted to revert it according to my mood and I aced it honestly. Next I'm going in with the Swiss Beauty's beautiful lavender kajal. You can go to my channel, go on the post section. Here I have tagged all the products. Then I have used Swiss Beauty's mascara. I'm coating upper and bottom lashes. Then I'm going in with this Pond's powder just to remove the excess oiliness from my face, because I have extreme oily skin, you guys. I don't know what to say about it, but it's just my skin type. So I really need a lot of powder, irrespective of any weather, be it summer or winter, doesn't matter. Then I'm going in with this Mars lip liner. It's a beautiful brown lip liner. I use this very often, very often. I'm not overlining today. Usually, sometimes I overline my Cupid's bow because sometimes I like that fuller effect. But today is not the day. Then I'm going in with the Lustre lipstick. Here is my final look, but I was thinking something is missing, so me being an absolute over dramatic makeup lover, I went ahead with the MAC highlighter and I applied it on the collarbone with the help of a fan brush. Now I'm liking it. Actually, I'm loving it. Bye.